Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to start with new machine learning algorithm, that is KNN, and it is the acronym for K nearest neighbors. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss KNN, and KNN is a multi-class classification algorithm. So what you did in the linear regression is that you had data from two classes like this or this, and then you were able to classify them like this. So this was binary classification, but in KNN what you can do is you can have multiple kind of classes. Let's say we have three classes, so it will be able to classify between all three of them, that which data point belongs to these parts. So now the basic idea behind KNN is that, let's suppose, I should not have rubbed that, but let's suppose you have these data. This data belongs to three class, and let me just draw these points. Now let's suppose you have this data, and what you are doing is that you plot a point, let's say this. Now what you want to do is, this is a point. Now what you want to do is you want to classify whether this point belongs to this class, whether this point belongs to this class, or whether this point belongs to this class. Now how KNN is going to do that? Basically, here K means the number, basically it is a number, okay, and then NN means nearest neighbors. So let's say K here is 5, so it is going to be 5 nearest neighbors, okay. So what it is going to do, it is going to find the distance from this point. From this point it is going to find the distance to every other point, and it is going to select the 5 points that has the minimum distance from it. So let's suppose uh, that we have to find 5 data. So we have 3 data from this point that is closer to it, 1 data from this point, and let's say 1 data from this point. So these are the points that are closest to it, okay. And we only chose 5 points because this time our K is 5. Now what it is going to do, it is going to count that whether our let's suppose we only have 1 point of this class, and we only have 1 point of this class, but we have 3 points of this class. So what it is going to do, it is going to basically say that your point belongs to this class because this point is closer to them, because there are 3 points that are closer to it, so it is more closer to this data set, this, you can say, this blob or this class, okay. So this is the main intuition behind the KNN, and here we can use different distance measure, but I am going to use Euclidean distance, and you can see the formula for Euclidean distance here. So this is the formula for the Euclidean distance. Now you will see that one thing, that you are finding the distance from this point to this point, and it has x1 y1 x2 y2. So what it is doing, under root x1 minus y1 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Now it is doing this because it only has one feature, okay, that is x. This is y and this is x, so this is x, this is y, so it only has one feature, so that's why it is doing this. But if we will have, let's say, 10 features, because we can have multiple features to classify a point, as we saw in the logistic regression. So for that we are gonna do this for every those of features, okay. So this is how it is gonna work, and we will see how it will work out. So this was it for the introduction to KNN, and in the next video we are going to implement the program of this algorithm. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.